The third page did not contain symbols.
It contained structure.
Lines arranged themselves into configurations that did not resemble language, yet carried undeniable authority. Not words. Framework. His eyes attempted to interpret.
His brain attempted to translate.
Both failed.
Something deeper
Succeeded. Recognition bypassed thought entirely. His nervous system reacted before cognition could interfere. A cold precision spread along his arms. His hands trembled, not from fear, but from alignment. He understood something impossible. Human language was not invented. It was inherited, a degraded copy of something far older. The Book of the Dead did not use language. Language used fragments of it.
Her mouth moved involuntarily.
No sound emerged.
Yet she felt the act of speaking.
Muscles engaged.
Vocal cords tight.
Breath shaped itself into patterns that could not manifest audibly.
The alphabet existed outside sound, outside vibration, outside air.
It was not meant to be spoken.
It was meant to be instantiated.
Her thoughts began forming in new geometries.
Not sentences, not images, structures.
Meaning existed without requiring translation.
Understanding existed without requiring explanation.
She was not learning it. She was remembering it!
This was never our huge. We stole what we could carry. This was never our voice. We stole what we could survive.
The Book of the Dead speaks in structure.
We are finally listening.
The symbols began appearing elsewhere.
Not on the page.
On him.
Faint impressions beneath his skin.
Not visible.
Felt.
Precise locations along his spine.
At the base of his skull.
Behind his sternum.
Points of convergence.
Points of activation.
His body was not being marked.
It was being mapped.
Mapped against a template older than flesh.
The book was not adding anything new.
It was restoring something removed.
Something intentionally removed.
To make humanity stable.
To make humanity finite.
The Book of the Dead recession. She looked away from the page.
We stole what we could carry.
The symbols remain.
Suspended in her vision.
Burned into perception itself. Not hallucination. Integration.
The alphabet had relocated.
No longer external.
Now internal.
Permanent.
She realized the truth with quiet horror.
The book did not need to remain open.
Once seen, it continued writing itself inside the reader.
Each thought became partially rewritten.
Each perception slightly corrected.
Each moment brought her closer to structural compatibility.
Closer to completion.
Closer to something that did not die.
Sound is inefficient.
Sound requires atmosphere.
Requires distance.
Requires time.
This alphabet requires none of these.
It exists as direct transfer. Observer to structure. Structure to observer.
of the Dead does not communicate.
It replaces the need for communication entirely. This was never our lounge. We stole what we could carry. This was never our voice. We stole what we could survive.
The Book of the Dead speaks in structure.
When we are finally listened,
He closed his eyes.
the symbols became clearer.
He opened his eyes.
The world became less certain.
He understood now.
The alphabet was not inside the book.
The book was inside the alphabet.